decomposition, whenever we have taken the water, after the electrolysis in the presence of electricity, this is in the presence of acid. I am writing here dilute acid H positive, and I am writing in the bracket dilute, and it form hydrogen and oxygen. Twice molecule, you balance it, and the twice of this. How it is happening, I will tell you one by one thing detail. Okay, just you see it. The first of all, I have taken a container that is called electrolytic container. Okay, just you see one by one point, and in this one I am taking a 2 graphite rod. What? 2 graphite rod. In this one I have taken the 2 graphite rod. Just you see it, 2 graphite rod. Why we are taking the graphite rod? Because the graphite is a good conductor of electricity. Okay, and these graphite rod are connected to the battery, and this one, the larger one part signing the positive part of battery, and this one small one sign the negative part of the battery. And the battery, the positive part of battery, when connected with the graphite rod, that now it is called the electrode. What we called it? Electrode. And this one again called electrode. Both are called electrode. What are the electrode? When graphite rod conduct the electricity, that is called the electrode. Now in this one, the positive part one electrode, positive part connected with the electrode, that is called the anode. And the another part which is connected with the negative terminal of the battery called cathode. Okay. Now we are going to take in this one, what we are taking in this one, the water. Okay. This is the water. If why we are taking here, we are taking the pure water, and pure water are a bad conductor of electricity, so that we have taken the small amount of dilute acid in this one, adding dilute acid to make the water with a conducting, because the pure water is the bad conductor of electricity. When we add the dilute acid in this one, then it conduct the electricity. Now you people know that the water molecule, when it dissociate in the whenever we are adding the dilute acid, it dissociate into 2 ions. One is H positive and another one OH negative. Clear? And in this solution, 2 types of ion coming. One is H positive, another one is OH negative. Now you people know that the attraction will happen with opposite charges. Attraction will happen between opposite. Then this one positive charge move, this is the negative, move toward the cathode electrode, and negative charge are moved toward the positive electrode. This is a positive electrode. You understand my point or not? Everyone, you understand my point or not?
Yes, sir. सर
Okay.
बिल एसिड है.
What?
बिल एसिड भी लिख रखा है आपने प्योर वाटर के नीचे.
हाँ, dilute. This is the DIL means dilute acid.
Okay.
Diluted acid. Clear? Done?
No, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Now you see what will happen in this one. I will going to brief it at. First you come to the at. This one is the cathode. At cathode electrode. What is happening in the cathode electrode? The H positive ion are moving toward the cathode electrode. First you note the point, just 1 minute. You write here one note point. H positive ion move toward cathode electrode. Cathode electrode. And OH negative ions are moved toward anode electrode. Okay, this one. So at the cathode electrode, what is happening? At the cathode electrode, hydrogen ion moving. So H positive. This is the deficient of electron. H positive means hydrogen is deficient of electron. It gain a 1 electron and it will form the H. It will form H. Now you people know that element is always, this is the monoatom, and H can be combined with H and then it will form the hydrogen gas. Okay, the H, what is this? This is the oxidation or reduction? Saadul.
Reduction.
This is
So
reduction.
reduction.
Why it is reduction?
Because of there is
Because
addition of
oxygen is
separate.
Because of gain of
oxygen is different.
gain of electron. Okay, now come to the at anode electrode. Which ion are moving the anode electrode? You see, OH negative ion moving the anode electrode. So OH negative means they are having an extra electron. Negative charge means they are having the extra electron and they will release the electron at the anode electrode plus electron. So loss of electron is called oxidation or reduction?
So oxidation.
Oxygen. This is the loss of electron. And then what will happen here? The molecule of OH, 4 OH molecule will combine and they form H2O and plus O2. And you balance it, then it is a oxygen. So what you understand after the reaction here, we have observed the following things. Observation, what we have observed? First one thing is that it initially what I said the water is a bad conductor, pure water is a bad conductor of electricity. So we need we need to add some amount of acid in it. You understand my point? So what observation? First one is pure water is bad conductor of 1 minute. Bad conductor of 1 minute. Bad conductor of electricity, so that we need to add some amount of dilute acid to dissociate water molecule into their ions. First point, 1 minute, beta, wait. Second one, what we observed, we have observed that at a cathode electrode, reduction processes happen and hydrogen gases evolve at the cathode electrode. What you understand? At a cathode electrode, hydrogen gases evolve, yeah, release, you got, and the anode electrode, here is the oxygen gases release. Okay, so what is happening? Second point is at cathode electrode H2 gas, hydrogen gas is evolved, and reduction process also happen in this electrode, in this terminal, you can see that. Now third observation is that at anode electrode, oxygen gas is evolved and oxidation process also happen in this terminal. And the last, fourth point, just you see what I said, ki water molecule we have taken in the presence of acid and the electricity, then it form water and oxygen molecule, and to equalize the number of atom left side and the right side, then need to twice. So what you understand, ki here you see the 2 moles of hydrogen and here is a 1 mole of oxygen are formed. So what is the ratio? The ratio, this is called the 2 volume, 2 molecule, and here is a 1 volume. The volume ratio of hydrogen oxygen gases at cathode and anode is 2:1. Is 2:1.
फिर ऊपर कर दो क्या, ठीक है. नीचे कर दो सर थोड़ा.